I felt really convicted that I just needed to go even further into cultural engagement and just talk about my faith consistently. So you can
Mm,
go on my website today, and I know you've seen it. And the first thing
yeah.
you'll see is my declaration that I'm a Christian, I'm a husband, I'm a father, I'm a homeschool dad, and that's it. That's my organizing principle for the business. That's my organizing principle for my life, for my
Yeah.
family. And a lot of people kind of were shocked, surprised. Why would you do that? Isn't going to take away from your practice, from your law firm? Isn't that going to offend people? Isn't that going to be a problem? And I said, God's going to bring the people that need us to us.
Mm,
God can control that. This is what I feel convicted to do, and just be bold in every aspect of what we're doing as a family, and try to do it right.